हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9th साइंस चैप्टर फर्स्ट, मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, size, and texture. Everything in the universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, planets, and animals, even a small drop of water or a particles of sand, everything is matter. तो हमारे आसपास की जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं उनकी शेप साइज़ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैरायटी की बनी हुई हैं, जैसे कि पानी, पेड़, हवा, सांस जैसे हम लेते हैं, खाना जो हम खाते हैं, स्टोन्स, सैंड, या एक पानी की बूंद भी, वो भी एक मैटर है। We can also see as we look around that all the things maintained away occupies space and have a mass. In other words, they have both a mass and volume. तो कोई भी थिंग्स है, कोई सी भी चीज़ है, वो एक स्पेस और उसका एक मास होगा। Sincerely, since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings. Earlier Indian poison classified matter in the form of five basic elements: the punch, tateva, air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of these five basic elements. Ancient Greek philosophy and arrived at a similar classification of matter. तो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग ने ऐसी खोज करी थी, उसने देखा कि उसमें फाइव एलिमेंट है: पंच, टटेवा, एयर, अर्थ, फायर, स्काई एंड वाटर। ये सारे हैं और वो सारी चीज़ें लिविंग है या नॉन लिविंग है। Modern day scientists have evaluated modern modern day scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. In this chapter, we shall learn about matter based on its physical properties. Chemical aspect of matter will be taken up in subsequent chapters. तो पहला हमारा पॉइंट है 1.1, फिजिकल नेचर्स ऑफ मैटर। Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. For a long time, two schools of thought the premise regarding the nature of matter. One school believed matter to continuously like a block of wood, whereas the through the that matter was made up of a particle like sand. Let us perform an activity to decide about the nature of matter. It is continuous of a particles. ये एक्टिविटी है, इससे आगे चलते हैं। In order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of a particle. But was there is the spoon, salt or sugar has now spit throughout water. This is the illustrating figure 1.1। तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं, when we dissolve salt in water the particles, तो हम सॉल्ट और वाटर की जब पार्टिकल्स डिजॉल्व कर रहे हैं पानी में, अब सॉल्ट गेट इनटू द स्पेस बिटवीन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर, तो वो जो सॉल्ट होगा वो अपना स्पेस बना लिएगा अभी ओके पानी के बीच में। तो हमारा 1.2 है, हाउ स्मॉल आर दीज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर। This experiment shows that just a few crystals of a potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. About Hazard later saw we consulted that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium pergamentis, which keeps of dividing in themselves the smaller and smaller particle. The same activity can be done using 2 milliliter of Dettol instead of potassium pergamentis. The small can be decayed even on a repeating distillation. ये क्वेश्चन आ जाता है पेपर में, characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have a space between them. In activities 1.1 and 1.2, we show that particles of sugar, salt, Dettol, or potassium pigments got eventually distributed in water. Similarly, when we make tea, coffee, on similarly when lemonade, nimbu pani, particles of one type of matter get into the space between particles of the other, shows there is a unknown space between particles of matter. तुम्हारा 1.2 2.2 है, particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving, that is, they possess what we call the kinetic energy. As the temperature rises, particles move faster, so can say that with the increase in temperature and kinetic energy of the particles also increase. In the above the three activities, we observe the particles of matter intermix on their own which each other. They do so by getting into the space between the particles. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their oven is called diffusion. We also observe that one on heat diffusion becomes faster. Why does that happen? तो intermixing of particles different types of matter there is on called diffusion. तो intermixing जो particles होते हैं उनका diffusion होता है फिर. 1.2.3 particles of matter attract each other. The above three activities 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8 suggested that particles of matter have a force acting between them. The force keeps the particles thrown together. The strength of these force of attraction varies from one kind of matter to another. तो गाइस ये रहे क्वेश्चन हम अगली वीडियो में देखेंगे, लेकिन इसमें बताना है कि कौन से पार्टिकल्स हैं कौन से नहीं है ऐसे. ये पक्का क्वेश्चन में आएगा. 1.3 स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. Observe different types of matter around you. What are its different state? We can see that matter around us exists on three different states: solids, liquid, and gas. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of the particles of matter. Now let us study about the properties of these three states of matter in detail. All the above are examples of solids. We can observe that all these have a definite shape, distinct boundaries, and fixed volumes. That is, have indelible compressibility. Solids have a tendency of maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. Consider the following. What about a rubber band? Can it change its shape? Stretching it is a solid. What about sugar and salt? When I keep the different jars, these take the shape of the jar. Are they solids? What about the spoons? It is a solid, yet we are able to compress it. Why all the above are solids? As the rubber band change shape under force and regain the same shape when the force is removed, its excessive force is applied, its break. The shape of the Each individual sugar or a salt crystal remains fixed whether we take in our hand but it in a plate or in a jar. A spoon has a minute holes in which air trapped when we press in the air is explained how we are able to compress it. 1.3.2 at the liquid state. We observe that liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. They take up the shape of the container in which they are. Keep liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be cold fueled. Refer to activities 1.4 and 1.5 where we show that liquid and solids and liquid can diffuse into liquid. The gases from the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are accidentally from the surface of aquatic animals and plants. All living creatures needs to breathe for us. Even the aquatic animals can breathe underwater due to presence of a dissolved oxygen in water. Thus, we may consult that solid, liquid, or gases can diffuse into liquid. The rate of diffusion of a liquid is higher than that of solid. This is due to the fact that in the liquid state particles move freely, have greater space between each other compared to the particles in the solid states. तो वो जो सॉलिड स्टेट होता है वो अपनी शेप चेंज नहीं कर सकता, कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते थे हम उसे, लेकिन वो जो लिक्विड होता है वो कहीं भी किसी भी बर्तन में डाल दोगे आप उसी शेप का हो जाएगा वो. The gaseous state. Have you ever observed a balloon sailor filling a large number of balloons from a single cylinder of gas? Inquire from him how many balloons he is able to fill from one cylinder. Ask him which gas does he have in the cylinder. What do you observe? In which case was a piston easily burst in? What do you infer from your observation? We have observed that gases are highly compressible are compared to solids and liquids. The liquefied petroleum gas LPG cylinder that we get in our home for cooking or the oxygen supplied to a hospital cylinder is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas CNG is used as a fuel these days in vehicles due to its high compressibility. Large volumes of a gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transferred easily. We come to know of what is being cooked in the kitchen without even entering there by the smell that reaches our nostrils. How does this smell reach us? The particles of the aromas of food mix with the particles of air spread from the kitchen reach us, and even further away the smell of a hot cooked food reaches us in seconds. Compare this with the rate of diffusion of solids and liquid due to high speed of particles and large space between them. Gases have the property of diffusing very fast into other gases. In the gaseous state, the particles move about randomly at a high speed. Due to this random movements, the particles hit each other and also the walls of the container. The press accepted by the gases because of this force exerted by the gas particles are per unit area on the walls of the container. तो आप ये सब देख सकते हैं, ये सॉलिड है, ये लिक्विड है, ये गैस है, और इनके पार्टिकल्स ये हम ना स्टेट ऑफ मैटर में आता है कि इनके पार्टिकल्स बहुत ही पास पास रहते हैं, एकदम जुड़े जुड़े, और ये लिक्विड में थोड़े थोड़े मतलब इधर उधर होते हैं. और वो जो गैस होती है उसमें मतलब दूर दूर कहीं जाते रहते हैं. Can matter change its state? We all know from our observation that water can exist in three states of matter: solid as the ice, liquid as the familiar water, and gas as the water as vapor. What happens inside the what happen inside the matter during this change of state? What happens to the particles of matter during the change of a state? How does this change of state take place? We need answer to these question, is not it? तो 1.4.1 है effects of change of temperature. On increasing the temperature of a solid, the kinetic energy of the particle is increasing. Due to the increasing in the kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating with the greater speed. The energy of supplied by heat overcomes the force of attraction between the particles. The particle leave their fixed position and start moving more freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. The minimum temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. तो जब भी 0 डिग्री हो जाएगा तो वो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हो जाएगा इधर. The melting point of ice to 73.15 K. The process of melting, that is change of a solid state into liquid state, also known as a fusion. When a solid melts, its temperature remains the same. So where does the heat energy go? You must have observed during the experience of melting that the temperature of the system does not change after the melting point is reached till all the ice melts. This happens even though we continue to heat the breaker, that is, we continue to supply heat. This heat gets used up in changing the state by overcoming the forces of attraction between the particles. As this heat energy is absorbed by ice without showing any rise in temperature, it is considered that it's get hidden into the contents of the breaker and is known as the latent. ऐसे थप्पड़े होगे ना, झपक जाओ फिर कहो जाएगी तू. जहाँ पहुँचा नहीं है चमक हटेंगे तेरा. अब चलो चलो जल्दी जरूर जाओ. State by overcoming the forces of attraction between the particles. As the heat energy is absorbed by ice without showing any rise in temperature, it is considered that it's get hidden into the contents of the breaker and it is known as the latent heat. The word latent means hidden. The amount of the heat energy that is required to change a 1 kg of a solids into liquid at a atmospheric pressure. At its melting point is known as the latent heat is fusion. So particles in water at a 0 degree 273 K have more energy as compared to the particles in ice at the same temperature. When we supply heat energy to water, particles start moving even faster at a constant temperature. A point is reached when the particles have throw energy to break free from the forces of attraction of each other. At this temperature, the liquid starts changing into gas. The temperature of which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as its boiling point. Boiling is a work phenomenon. Particles from the bulk of the liquid gains enough energy is changed into the vapor state. For water, this temperature is 373 K. 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 plus 100 is equal to 273 K. Can you define the latent heat of the vaporization to do it in the same way as we have definite the latent heat of fusion particles in the steam, that is the water vapor at 373 K. 100 degrees Celsius have a more energy than water at the same temperature. This is because particles in the stream above absorbed extra heat in the form of latent heat of vaporization. सॉलिड स्टेट में जब हीट होती है लिक्विड स्टेट से गैस स्टेट्स टू लिक्विड. So we infer that the states of a matter can be changed into the another state of changing the temperature. We have learned that substance around us change state from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas on application of heat, but there are some that change directly from a solid state to gaseous state and vice versa without changing into the liquid state. Change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called sublimation, and the direct change of gas is solid without changing into liquid is called deposition. 1.4.2 Effects of change of pressure. We have already learned that the difference in various states of matter is due to the difference in the distance between the constant particles. What will happen when we start putting pressure and compress a gas? Enclosed in cylinders, will the particles come closer? Do you think in that increasing or decreasing the pressure can change the state of matter? Applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gas. Have you heard of solid carbon dioxide, CO2? It is stored under high pressure. Solid CO2 gets converted directly into gaseous states on decreasing of a pressure of a 1 atmospheric without coming into liquid state. This is the reason that solid carbon dioxide also known as a dry ice. Thus we can say that pressure and temperature is determine the state of a substance, whether it will be solid, liquid or gas. Evaporation. Do we always need to heat or change pressure for changing the state of matter? Can you quote some examples from everyday life where change of state from a liquid to vapor takes place without the liquid reaching the boiling point? Water, when left the unconverted, slowly changes into the vapor. We close dry. What happens to water in the above two examples? We know the particles of a matter are always moving and are never at rest. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, there are particles with different amounts of kinetic energy. In the case of liquid, a small fraction of particles at the surface having a higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the forces of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor. This phenomenon of a change of a liquid into vapor at any
या थपड़े में चुप जावे
तो चलो बस आई बड़ी
हम वीडियो बनाई देखिएगा बकवास में चला ना
जा सकते हो फिर
हम बाहर में बैठी मैंने सुनी वीडियो
temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. 1.5.1 Factors affecting evaporation. You must have observed that the rate of evaporation increase with an increase of surface area. We know that evaporation is a surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, that rate of evaporation increase. For example, while putting clothes from drying up, we spread them out and increase of temperature. With the increase of temperature, the more number of particles get out, connecting energy to go into the vapor states. A decrease in humidity. Humidity is the amount of a water vapor present in the air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in the air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreasing and increasing in wind speed. It is common to observation that clothes dry faster on a windy day, days with the increasing in wind speed. The particles of the water vapor moves away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. 1.5.2. How does operation cases cooling? In an open vessels, the liquid keeps on evaporating. The particles of a liquid absorbed energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during the evaporation. This observation observation of energy that observation of energy from the surroundings make a surrounding cool. What happen when you pour some acetone nail polish remover on your palm? The particles gain energy from your palm or surroundings and evaporate, casing the palms to feel a cool. To feel a cool. To feel a cool. After a hot sunny day, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because the large latent heat of evaporation of the water helps to cool the the hot surface. Can you cite some more example for daily life where we can feel the effects of a cooling due to evaporation? Why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? During summer, we perspire from more because of the mechanisms of our body which keep us cool. We know that during evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surroundings or a body surface and change into vapor. The heating energy equal to the latent heat of a vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Cotton being a good observation observed absorber of water helps in the absorbing the sweats sweats and sweats and exposing it to the atmosphere from easy evaporation. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass contain ice cooled water? Let us take some ice cold water in a tumbler. Soon we will see water droplets on the outer surface of the tumblers. The water vapor present in air on coming in contact with the cold glass of water losing energy and gets converted to liquid state which we see एज अ वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. तो गाइज ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th साइंस चैप्टर फर्स्ट मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग. आई होप यू लाइक इट. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. और जा मैटर्स इन आवर सराउंडिंग. ये साइंस फर्स्ट चैप्टर matters in our surrounding. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.